Less than 25% of roofing businesses ever hit six figures. And it's not because they don't have enough work or skill, it's because they don't know how to turn jobs into predictable, scalable revenue. If that's you, don't worry. Today, I'll show you what it takes to really break that six figure barrier and set your business on a growth path. Now, in this video, we're going to be breaking it all down with a flowchart, what's stopping most roofing businesses from hitting six figures, the exact steps to get there, and how to avoid the pitfalls that hold so many back. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how you can actually implement this for your business step by step for free. Now, the reality, let's be real, hitting six figures isn't just about landing more jobs. It's about knowing your numbers, your profit margins, your customer acquisition cost, and your overhead. The average roofing jobs brings around 10 to 15,000 in revenue, but after materials, labor, and marketing expenses, most companies are only keeping 10 to 15% of that. Now, here's why most people don't make it in the roofing business and in general in business. It's because of lead unpredictability. They rely on word of mouth and seasonal fluctuations. This is not good because you need predictable revenue each month. High marketing costs. For example, Google Ads for roofers average around $20 to $30 per click, but conversion rates are only 2 to 5%. This means that for every dollar you put, you are not going to get that much back when compared to other systems that I'll show you later. And poor follow-ups. Lack of follow-up systems result in 70% of leads slipping through the cracks. This is because a lead needs to be counted as soon as he fills out the form, because that's when he's most hot. If you think getting more jobs is all it takes to scale, you're wrong. You need a predictable system that works whether it's peak season or not. Now, here's what really drives six-figure success. Predictable lead flow. The companies that hit six figures don't rely on luck. They have a machine that generates leads every single week, all year around. Roofing businesses usually running consistent ads see a 30 to 40% increase in lead flow compared to those relying solely on referrals. Efficient sales processes. It's not just about getting the lead, it is about what happens next. A structured sales process, including automated follow-ups, can double your close rates. For example, I know a case study about a roofer that went from closing 1 in 10 meetings to 3 in 10 meetings just by having an automated follow-up system that actually engages the leads as soon as possible. And profitable jobs, not just more jobs. You need to focus on your margins, and you need to cut your customer acquisition cost by even 20%, because that can save you up to $2,000 to $5,000 per month. If you think working harder is the answer, it's not. It's about working smarter with systems that maximize every lead, every dollar, and every job. Now, here's the winning strategy that we found by working in the AI space in the last few months. You need to run AI-powered lead qualification. Using AI agents, you can qualify leads instantly, ensuring you only spend time on those who are serious about roofing services. Imagine an AI caller that reaches out to leads within 5 minutes of them actually filling out a form. Studies show that contacting leads within this window increases your chances of conversion by 400%. A recent study also found that businesses using AI for lead follow-up saw a 50% increase in appointment setting within the first month. Ad targeting that actually works. Facebook and Instagram ads have an average cost of lead of $5 to $10 for local businesses when actually run properly. This is mainly because of the combination of content and ads. The point is to design a good ad that brings in traffic and also have some content posted so that people that watch your page will know that you're an authority and they can see your testimonials, your case studies, and how you actually work. Content as a trust builder. Roofing isn't just about selling, it's about trust. By posting project walkthroughs, testimonials, and before and after photos, you can boost your conversion rate by up to 50%. And all of this has to come together in a system. Ads bring in the traffic, AI handle the follow-ups, and your content educates and builds trust. This system works 24/7 even when you're off the clock. If you think AI and automation are just for big companies, think again. Small businesses are using these tools every day to hit six figures faster than ever. And here's a study that we've done on the industry, and the numbers never lie. HVAC companies using similar systems saw a 30% increase in bookings within the first 3 months of them using the system. And also remodeling businesses, they reported a 25% reduction in their cost per client using AI-powered follow-ups. In a survey, 70% of small businesses that implemented AI in their sales process reported hitting the revenue goals faster. This is because it's very efficient and it's very cheap to run the AI agents. If your average job is 10K and the system brings in just 5 extra jobs per month, that's going to be 50K. Over the time span of a year, that's going to mean $600,000. And remember, we're not just talking revenue, we're talking about profitable growth that is also easier on your path because you don't spend time contacting the leads. Now, if you think all of this sounds great, but I don't want to actually build this whole thing out and I just want to get clients on autopilot and just worry about delivering a good service to my customers. This is where we actually come in. My team specializes in building these systems for roofing companies. We handle everything from creating and running the ads to setting up and optimizing your AI agent and even ensuring every lead is contacted and booked. If you're ready to fill your schedule without hiring a sales team, click the link below to book a free implementation call with me. Let's see how the system can change your business.